We begin day 2 of Renewal by Andersen window installation. Good morning. How is the hotel?
Oh, nice.
Perfect.
Great.
Yeah, perfect.
They give you Sequim hospitality.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
First of 4 windows for today coming out of the truck. So Andy, have you ever measured the windows on the house and found that they're not the same size as the ones from the factory?
That would be a mismeasure.
Yeah.
It doesn't happen frequently, but when it does.
First window frame of the day.
Since our trim over there is sitting at 76 wide by 52 tall, we want our window frame to be 76, which it is, and then we're going to want it to be around 52 inches tall, which it is. So this right here is not a mismeasure. One thing about this trim, the last company, whoever put this on, really didn't want it to come up. You don't know how lucky you are because you got like the 2 installers that really videotape themselves every day. Like,
Oh, I know.
yeah. Nobody else would think it's cool, but we actually think it's cool. This top guy is really being a goober. Being a grade A goober. I don't think we're going to be able to do that.
Can you see a screwdriver real quick?
Okay, that works.
Yeah, usually first day is almost like trying to figure things out, you know?
Yeah.
Are these old windows?
Yes, they weren't done by Glass Services.
Oh, okay. These are definitely nail fit.
So it'll be a little different process cutting these off.
Yeah. Usually they try to put the nail fin onto the framing before they side the house.
These are replacements from the originals though, because the originals were aluminum.
Yeah, whoever did these probably did it better than the ones in the front.
Master bedroom window getting covered with plastic. Working in the jungle. And our little bathroom window gets covered with plastic. Already prepping the last window. That label you put on there is just to remind you which window to grab.
Right, yeah, this is just the numbers, just in case we need to double check something. The numbers, you know, we still have it here. Instead of us running back to the truck and going through the tablet trying to figure it out. Whoever did these ones, they did it right using the nail fin.
Oh.
It's coming out a lot sooner than I thought it was going to come out. I didn't think it was going to fall out. I was just trying to get all that off and I was going to zoom the bottom. So it was just hitting the hardy. Okay, well, let's see if that works. Should just fall out. Oh, come on. There we go.
Got a branch right behind your head.
Try to clean it up and reinstall it.
Yeah.
A little excitement with this removal, but all went well.
line we're making here
Yeah.
is based off of the brick mold size. On the window, it comes with that wide trim. So what we're doing right here is trying to figure out where that number lands, so that way we cut it out, just like how you saw the front.
Right.
Window goes right into the cutout.
Okay.
So the numbers could be different, you know, especially with the vinyl windows, you know. So we always, that's why you see us pull the tape on it. We always double check, because we never know what we might run into. The front was 2 inches cut out. Now I got 2 1/4 here and 2 1/8 here.
One more window to remove.
Do they recycle all these windows?
No, it's just away.
Looks like the window's about to come out, Diane.
Good? Of course, you look at that man.
Wow. Strength and balance. I remember those days.
All right.
The last window removed.
What a workout.
The whole purpose of the flashing, so that way it protects their window, yeah, and the framing. And the other reason is because if the siding does decide to fail, the flashing's purpose is to bring that water right back out.
And he's preparing the flashing for this east facing window. Final window to get this, what's this called again?
Vicor.
Vicor.
Vicor weather tape.
Yeah.
Really sticky stuff.
Very sticky stuff. If it sticks to itself, throw it away.
And we got that on camera.
Sorry.
So they don't put a strip of that weather tape on the top edge because there's no need to. Flashing going up on this window. Hear the Navy growlers in the background.
Yee. Beautiful. That's good. This is perfect right here.